Actually, guys, let me explain it to you. This illusion invented 100 years ago by Mr. U.F. Grant. Yeah, I'm serious. Okay, actually, most of the magicians, not only in the Philippines but around the globe, they use their own system to suspend it midair. And I want my friend Kimi here to experience that. Yeah, actually, it's very easy trick, don't worry. Trust me.
Go, Torres.
Sumasabak ko. Okay. Sit right there. Yeah, relax, just relax. Sit right there. Good. Okay. Yeah. Actually, underneath is 2 chairs and a board. Okay? And the board has this magic carpet. This magic carpet of Aladdin. You know Aladdin? What about Superman? You know Superman? Who's that guy? What's the real name of Superman? Okay, never mind. Okay, I want you to lay down, shoulders here, legs there.
Baliktad.
Yeah, okay, don't worry. Yeah, okay, yeah. Don't worry, relax. Yes. Yeah. Huwag ka masyadong mo pa, baka malaglag ka. Basta rin ako. Yeah, sige. There. Cross your legs, my friend. Yes, and there. Cross your legs. Yeah. Hands on your stomach and hands on your heart. Okay, there you go. Relax. You can close your eyes if you like. You can open your eyes if you like. Okay, let's concentrate. Guys, magic lasts only 3 seconds. I'll make it fast para di siya mapagod. Here you go. Don't move. Alright. Oh, head down. Alright. There you go. Give me that one. Let's make it faster. Oh, don't move. Don't move. There you go. Don't move. Ready? Don't move. Don't move, my friend. Don't move. Alright. Head down. Wait, let me do this first. Don't move. Good! Alright, face the audience! Face the audience! Take a bow! Take a bow! Yeah!
Hindi ka nagbaw.
Okay. What's next? Okay. Oh, sige. After pinyata, let me check your eyes first. Sige, tingnan mo. What color is this?
Where's the gun?
Bakit?
That's not
The next one. The next one!
Walang
Okay,
gun
where's
sa
the yellow?
akin.
Top or
Sorry.
bottom?
Walang binigay sa akin.